my channel. Today is Thursday, and I don't normally post videos on Thursday, but today I am because I am announcing everything we have on our website, which is shopAuntieTay.com. We are launching vinyl and iron-on and some awesome packs I'm super excited to talk about. And guys, if you didn't know, if you're a patron, Shop Auntie Tay is your place to shop. You will always get at least 20% off. This month, our regular patrons are getting 20% off, and our crazy creators are getting 30% off their entire purchase. And any purchase over $75, you can pair it with a coupon code, you get free shipping. So let's just jump right into it. A lot of you guys are wondering what the difference between vinyl and HTV is, and I'm gonna be going into it in a video called What's the Difference Between Vinyl and HTV? Well, we've got tons of different things of HTV. HTV is heat transfer vinyl. You need some type of heating element to put it on stuff. It's best for fabric. Patterned HTV, reflective HTV, flocked HTV, glitter HTV, stretch HTV, electric HTV. We've got tons of different HTV. And then I'm gonna talk about what we are launching for the holiday season. 3 HTV patterned packs coming out this holiday, and I am so excited for them. We do have a limited supply of these packs, and these are for the holiday only, but if you guys love them and you want more of them, we will definitely restock them. So we have our fall pack. I'm so excited about this pack. It has different HTVs. It's got a 12 by 12 teal and cream checkered pattern. It's got a 12 by 12 orange scarecrow pattern. It has a 12 by 12 mint easy weed, 12 by 12 yellow easy weed, 12 by 12 turquoise easy weed, 12 by 12 Tiffany blue easy weed, 12 by 12 cream easy weed, a 9 by 12 old gold glitter, a 9 by 12 copper glitter, and a 9 by 12 transparent orange glitter. It's got some patterns, some glitter, and some regular HTV. Then we have our It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year Christmas pack, and you get 12 by 12 red easy weed, 12 by 12 pale blue easy weed, 12 by 12 powder blue easy weed, 12 by 7 red flocked HTV, 12 by 12 red checkered pattern, 12 by 12 snowflake wood pattern, 9 by 12 white glitter, 9 by 12 multi-silver glitter, and a 9 by 12 red glitter. Heat transfer vinyl, meaning they need heat to apply them. Then we have my absolute favoriteest. This is the Champagne Christmas, guys. I am obsessed with this pack. You get a 12 by 12 cream checkered pattern. You get 12 by 12 Vegas gold easy weed, 12 by 12 cream easy weed, 12 by 12 light pink easy weed, 12 by 12 electric rose gold, 12 by 12 electric pearl, 9 by 12 champagne glitter, 9 by 12 rose gold glitter, and a 9 by 12 bronze glitter. Okay, let's move over to the adhesive vinyl. Adhesive vinyl is more like a sticker, more for hard surfaces. So when applying this, you need to have that transfer tape. It's not just ready to go like HTV is. In this mix of bunch of vinyl, we've got lots of different types. Unicorn vinyl, we have chalkboard vinyl, we have metallized vinyl in brushed and regular like chrome style. We have glitter vinyl, we have outdoor vinyl, indoor vinyl, we have stencil vinyl. I know that a lot of this is overwhelming. If you're just wondering what all these products are, I will be going into detail on how to use them, what makes them different, why I love them, why they're on my website, and all that. So with that, we are launching 3 vinyl packs, and I'm so excited for these vinyl packs, guys. These are Disney-inspired vinyl packs. Under the Sea adhesive vinyl pack, and in this, you're gonna get 8 different vinyls. You're gonna get Tiffany blue in glitter, purple in glitter, seafoam in glitter, lilac, red, turquoise, mint, and purple. And together, they make an amazing mermaid color scheme. Next pack is the Best Day Ever pack, and this pack comes with dark amethyst glitter, rose gold glitter, champagne glitter, soft pink, cream, lilac, Minnesota purple, and signal yellow. They're all inspired by the colors from Rapunzel. Okay, and our last but definitely not least is our Hakuna Matata pack, and this pack comes with cinnamon glitter, champagne glitter, ultra gold glitter, pastel tangerine, cream, light brown, copper, and dark red. So again, again, these are also vinyl packs, so you will need some transfer tape. If you're interested in transfer tape, we have amazing transfer tape. I've been already showing it to you guys here and there on my YouTube channel. Go shop, go have fun. It's available to you, and as soon as new things come out, I'll be doing videos all the time on it. So check those out. I love you guys.